Hello everyone, I'm so glad to inform you all that I recently partnered with Grounding Well, and the science behind this product, oh my god, it blew my mind. We all know that electronics explode and catch fire if they are not grounded. Unfortunately, your body is same. Yes, maybe it won't physically catch fire and explode, but you'll suffer from lots of health problems such as inflammation, insomnia, anxiety, and more if you do not ground yourself regularly. I got two products. This is the bedsheet, which is called grounding bedsheet, and another is mat, which you will notice in the video later on. Now I'm sure that some of you would wonder that what is grounding. Then let me explain, because I also didn't know about this. So in this modern age, most people live an undergrounded indoor lifestyle. Even when we go outside, we are wearing shoes, those shoes with rubber soles, which prevent us from receiving the benefits of grounding with the earth. We function and feel at our best when our skin is making direct contact with the earth's surface, as any excess electrons we gather from our environment can easily escape and let our bodies achieve perfect electronic balance. This balance is so important, guys. Now you would know that if you are coming from the beach, walking on the sand, walking on the grass, or even on the concrete, barefoot feels so good. Isn't just because your feet is directly making contact with the mother nature's element, but you're also making direct electrical contact with the earth's healing power. Many years ago, humans lived outdoor lifestyle, hunting, farming, everything often barefoot. So they were grounded constantly, regularly. But if you're living in Canada, for example, there are winter here around 6 months, it's cold outside, snow outside, you have to stay inside. So you lose that important touch with Mother Nature. And that's why you suffer from anxiety, inflammation, insomnia, as a lack of electron balance. I have included this product daily in my lifestyle, whether I'm watching TV, doing work, editing my videos, or even reading books, because it is so convenient and portable. The benefits are reduce chronic pain, better sleep, improve mood and focus, decrease inflammation. So now I can say that you can easily heal your body with nature's electrons. The longer you're grounded, the better your health is. 10% discount link is in my bio. Stay grounded 24/7 with world's best grounding products, Grounding Well.